I almost made up my mind about Sonauto AI after the first song. Good thing I didn't, because if I had stopped there, this review would have been completely different. The first track was honestly impressive. I wasn't expecting much, so maybe that helped. I hit generate, waited a bit, and thought, okay, that's actually pretty good. Then I made another song. Not as good. Then another. Better. That's when I realized Sonauto isn't one of those tools you can judge after a single generation, so I stopped chasing the perfect song. Instead, I gave it real prompts I'd actually use for YouTube intros, background music, and short social clips. That felt like a fair test. One thing I noticed pretty quickly: the simpler my prompt was, the more generic the music sounded. As soon as I started describing the mood, instrument, and energy I wanted, the results improved a lot. I wish I'd figured that out sooner. Then something unexpected happened. I caught myself tweaking the prompts more than listening to the music. Not because the tool was bad, because every small change gave me a completely different direction. That part was actually kind of fun. Now, it's not perfect. Some tracks felt polished enough that I'd use them immediately. Others lost me after the first few seconds. That's just the reality with AI music right now. If you're expecting every generation to be a hit, you'll probably end up frustrated. As for comparing it with Suno or Udio, I wouldn't rush to crown a winner. Sonauto has its own style, and there were moments where I genuinely preferred what it created. Other times, I went right back to Suno. It really depended on the type of song I was trying to make. So, would I subscribe? If you're creating music every week, maybe. If you're just curious because AI music is everywhere right now, I'd stay on the free plan first. Generate a bunch of songs, try different prompts. If you keep finding yourself coming back after a few days, then you'll know whether Sonauto AI is actually worth paying for. That ended up being a much better test than any feature list I could have looked at. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one.